Welkom bij unboxing of the battery load tester from AliExpress.com from Chinatown. The notes are in Chinese of Mandarin. On the other side you have English notes. Looks good. Then we have another note. How to install your device. On the part we have some stuff here. This is the extension board where you can singles of battery cells on battery extension board. Welding point looks good. Nice. We have some temperature probe. Looks very cheap. Then we have a power supply from USA power supply on power supply cord. Looks very cheap. Quality is cheap. From the DC cable for 25 euros you can buy it. Crocodile clamp cable looks good. Cable connection makes good connection. Maybe in the future they put this shorter together. It's good, it's fine. On the cable, crocodile clamp cable. Looks good. And on the side, same as the other cable, looks good. USB micro cable looks good. Put Europe and USA together and we can use it in Europe. Looks good. But for the safety reason, yeah, stay with your word. Don't walk away with this. Yeah. Some quality control from China. Extension board. A DC power supply. Micro USB and USB-C. Looks good. Welding point looks good. Support from the PCB for the PCB board. Yes, support. Then the PCB for the load tester battery load tester from China. The LCD screen, pot meters, looks good. Crystal, this is the crystal. Crystal looks so good. The buzzer looks also good. When we looking on the PCB, you can see too much welding. I don't know why so much welding on this. It's not needed too much. It's too much. looks not nice. If we flip the PCB, you can see why it's not nice. They forgot by the welding for quality control to look on very close to make a good connection on the left, and on the right side you see no good connection. You see sparks if you use this with this adapter power supply. You get shorting out the power regulator MOSFETs too quickly. And we look on this side, the power jack fan controller is also dirty, and bridge it is not good. You have to watch out for these Chinese projects. Yes, you have to repair it before you can use it. And this is not good. You have to repair that before use. We zoom in. Oh, boom. We can now see on the microscope if we put that level lower. The PCB. We have here the PCB. For the people in China, use more light for quality control. This looks not nice. The SMT parts for mounting surface parts looks good. No shorting out. Pin 1. This looks upside down. Or maybe a fix this not on that way. If you fix on what you can see here, it's not nice. So repair this one before you use it, and repair this power connector from the power fan connector fan jack. And then, oh, it looks really dirty to me. If we have more light, we have now more light, and you can see. How dirty the PCB is. So dirty. It's flux, what you see. It's good that they use flux, but after flux you have to clean it with isopropanol or alcohol. This is a real quality control what I'm doing now. We zoomed in, we checking the welding points. This looks good. Ooh, dirty, very dirty. You have to clean up. And it's really shorted out. This shorted out, and this already shorted out with a power. But if you put power on it, you get, and this one is broken, and you get that one is broken. Before use, check always the fan jack power jacket connection and the power regulator MOSFETs. If you don't do it, you get or a short of your house getting fired. Check always the welding points.